Car accidents can happen to anyone, even the most cautious drivers. And when they do, they can leave behind not only physical damage but also financial stress. That's where collision insurance comes in. Let us explain what collision insurance is, how it works, and whether it's worth the cost for your lifestyle. What is collision insurance? Collision insurance is auto insurance that pays for the cost of repairing or replacing your car after an accident, regardless of who is at fault. This is distinct from liability insurance, which only covers damage you cause to other people's property or injuries they sustain in an accident for which you are responsible. Typically, collision insurance will pay for damage to your car from 1. Collisions with other vehicles. 2. Collisions with stationary objects, such as trees or telephone poles. 3. Rollover accidents. However, collision insurance does not cover damage to other people's property or injuries they sustain in an accident. For that, you'll need liability insurance. How does collision insurance work? If you have collision insurance and your car is damaged in an accident, you must file a claim with your insurance company. The insurance company will dispatch an adjuster to assess the damage to your vehicle and determine whether it is repairable or a total loss. If the car is repairable, the insurance company will either pay for the repairs directly or reimburse you for the costs after you have paid for them out of pocket. If the car is declared a total loss, which means it would cost more to repair than it is worth, the insurance company will pay you the car's actual cash value. You'll need to pay a deductible, which is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. The higher your deductible, the lower your monthly insurance premiums will be. Coverage and limitations of collision insurance. Regardless of who was at fault, collision insurance typically covers damage to your car from collisions. However, this coverage has some limitations. Collision insurance, for example, might not cover 1. Damage to other people's property or injuries they sustain in an accident. 2. Damage to your car caused by non-collision events, such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. 3. Damage to your car that occurs while you're using it for business purposes. It's important to read your collision insurance policy carefully to understand exactly what's covered and what's not. The cost of collision insurance. The cost of collision insurance varies depending on a number of factors, including 1. The make and model of your car. 2. Your driving history and record. 3. Your age and gender. 4. Your location and where you park your car. 5. The deductible you choose. In general, the more expensive your car is and the greater the risk you pose to the insurance company, the higher your collision insurance premiums will be. Is collision insurance worthwhile? The value of collision insurance is determined by several factors, including 1. The value of your car. 2. Your financial situation. 3. Your tolerance for risk. If you have a new or expensive car, collision insurance is likely worth the cost. However, if your car is old and not worth much, collision insurance may not be necessary. In general, if you can afford to repair or replace your car out of pocket, collision insurance may not be worth the cost. It's important to weigh the cost of collision insurance against the potential benefits to your financial situation. If you don't have the financial resources to repair or replace your car in the event of an accident, collision insurance can provide valuable peace of mind. Also, if you have been in accidents or received traffic tickets in the past, you may need collision insurance to protect your finances from the cost of future accidents. Ultimately, the decision about whether to purchase collision insurance is a personal one that depends on your unique situation and risk tolerance. Collision insurance is a valuable type of auto insurance that can provide financial protection in the event of an accident. It covers the cost of repairing or replacing your car if it's damaged in a collision, regardless of who's at fault. However, collision insurance does have limitations and may not be necessary for everyone. The cost of collision insurance varies depending on a number of factors, and it's important to weigh the cost against the potential benefits before making a decision. If you're unsure whether collision insurance is right for you, talk to an insurance agent or financial advisor who can help you assess your risks and make an informed decision.